welcome back to my channel. If you are new, you are most welcome. I'm Tori for beading. So today I'm showing you how to do straight beading on clothes. You know what I'm saying? If you want to do fabulous, I'll show you guys. Yeah, let's go. Here is broken bead, and here is straw bead, and here is sand bead, and here is my beading needle. Here is the fabric I'm using. Here is my scissors. Here is my thread. Now I'm going to thread my needle. Starting your beading, you put the needle from the down and bring it out at the top. From the down, bring it out at the top, like this. And you pick your needle this way, you pick your bead this way. I'm counting 4. Have you seen it? I'm counting 4. You go this way, you put your needle inside, leave a small space, and bring it out. Have you seen how beautiful it is? You bring it out. You go again, pick 4. Depend on how you want it. Measure it again, put your needle inside, leave a little space, and pull it out. You go again, pick the 4. Sorry, my nails. Measure it again, put your needle inside, leave a little space, and bring it out. Yeah, you measure the same way, put the needle. Because we are going to the second line, we have to pass the needle under to the second line, so that you can start the second line again. Have you seen how it is? Have you seen how it is? Now we are going for the straw bead. You can't pick 4 because it's long already. All you do is to pick 1, you catch one out of it, just carry this way, pick 1, do the same measurement too, leave a small space and come out and draw your thread out. Pick another one, insert your needle, measure it, put your needle inside and pull it out. Pick another one again, put your needle inside the bead and pull it out. So you put it this way, you measure it and pass it under to the 3rd line. So we can start with the sand bead. Draw out your needle. Now we are doing this sand bead. We are going to pick 4 the way we pick the broken bead. Pick 4. You measure it this way, insert it, leave a small space and draw it out. Four, measure it, insert your needle, leave a small space on the straight line and draw it out. You pick 4 too. We are counting 4. You see, measure it this way, insert the needle, leave a small space and draw it out. You pick another 4, you measure it where the bead stop, insert your needle, leave a small space and draw it out. You pick another 4, measure it, insert it, so it goes this way to the end of your straight line. You can do this pattern on any of your fabric, either Ankara or any pattern fabric. You can do this straight beading to trace out the flower or your Ankara, or the flower on your chiffon, or any fabric. That's how you do it. You're picking 4, measure it, insert the needle for where the bead stop and pull it out. Pick another 4 again, measure it, because it's ending here. You have to insert the needle down and make your knot at the down to end it well. And here is the end of our tutorial. You see how good looking it is. If you have any comment, please comment down below. If you have any discussion or suggestion, please do so. If you are new, please try to subscribe to my channel. I'm giving you guys new video every 2 weeks. Please, I'm new here. I need your encouragement, I need your advice. Right, bye.